Hi, I am the Money Mentor. Welcome to our finance channel, Express, where we unravel the secrets of financial success. Today, I will teach you how to develop a new financial habit in 21 days. If you wish to achieve financial independence, you can do it one step at a time. What I mean by that is, the reasons for your current financial situation are attributed to the choices and habits you've formed thus far. However, gradual change is possible. For instance, if you lack savings in your bank account, you can address this by proactively developing a new habit over a span of just 21 days. Here's a simple plan to follow. 1. Open a dedicated savings account solely for the purpose of saving money. 2. Create a basic budget to determine how much you can deposit daily or weekly. The actual amount is less significant than the act of saving itself, whether it's $1, $5, $10, or any other sum. 3. Once you've decided on an amount, set a specific date and time for depositing it into your savings account. 4. Understand this concept, treat these deposits like bill payments that you don't expect to receive back. However, in this case, you're essentially paying yourself. 5. Adopt the mindset that the money you deposit is no longer available for regular use, even though it remains accessible. Following this principle will reduce the temptation to dip into these funds for other purposes. By diligently following these 5 steps over the course of 21 days or 21 weeks, you can cultivate a positive financial habit. Moreover, this approach can be applied to various aspects of life. The choice is entirely yours. If you find this information valuable, I kindly encourage you to subscribe. You can contact us at econexpress@outlook.com. Thanks for watching. I am the Money Mentor.